Hey there, cat lovers! You adore your feline friends, but are you sure you're doing everything right for them? Love is not enough to make you a good pet owner because sometimes we make mistakes that can upset our kitties without even realizing it. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to reveal the top 20 common mistakes cat owners make, along with some genuine advice as to how you can avoid them. The final one is sure to surprise you. But before we get into this crucial cat owner guide, remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content like this. Without further ado, let's begin. 20. Neglecting dental care. Now this one's important because you wouldn't want your little feline friends to have rotting teeth, now would you? According to Dr. Jean Have, a holistic veterinarian and cat expert, 70% of cats have some form of dental disease by the age of 3. Dental problems can cause pain, infection, and tooth loss. That's why you should brush your cat's teeth regularly and take them to the vet for dental checkups. It'll save them a whole lot of pain. 19. Inadequate grooming. Now, all cat owners know this, but cats are cleanliness freaks. Your cat may spend hours grooming themselves, but they still need your help, especially if they have long hair that can get tangled and matted. Mats can pull on the skin and cause discomfort and infection. Along with this, they can also interfere with your cat's movement and body temperature regulation. To prevent these issues, you should brush your cat at least once a week or more often, especially if they have long hair. 18. Lack of regular vet checkups. Some people think that cats don't need to see the vet unless they are sick or injured, but this is a big mistake. You see, cats are masters at hiding their pain and illness. They like to play it tough. So by the time you notice something is wrong, it may be too late. Cats need regular vet checkups to monitor their health and catch any problems early. So remember to mark your calendar for a regular visit to the vet. 17. Overfeeding. Cats may seem to always be hungry, but overfeeding can lead to obesity and related health problems. We know it's hard to say no to your little kitty when they look at you with those hungry little eyes, but if they become obese, then that's a bigger problem to deal with. Obesity can increase the risk of diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, and cancer, and it can also be fatal. Portion control and balanced nutrition are key to keeping your cat at a healthy weight. Remember that part of being a good pet owner is learning when to say no. 16. Not enough playtime. Playtime isn't just for fun. It's a crucial aspect of your cat's mental and physical health. Cats need daily stimulation to keep them happy and prevent behavior problems. Playtime can help your cat release their pent-up energy, satisfy their hunting instincts, and exercise their muscles and mind. It can also reduce stress, boredom, and aggression. You should play with your cat for at least 15 minutes a day. Who knows? Playtime might be just as healthy for you as it is for your cat. 15. Ignoring litter box maintenance. If you don't want your kitty to go around making the whole house their bathroom, this one's crucial. Regular cleaning of a cat's litter box helps them stay comfortable and maintain good hygiene. You should scoop the litter box at least once a day and change the litter completely every week. Cats absolutely hate it when their owners become neglectful in this department. 14. Inappropriate punishment. The carrot is always better than the stick, especially when dealing with your feline friends, mostly because cats don't understand punishment. Instead of learning, they may become fearful or anxious. Punishment can also damage your relationship with your cat and make them lose trust in you. Another way in which you could correct their behavior is through positive reinforcement. Instead of punishing bad behavior, reward your cat for good behavior with treats, praise, or playtime. We would advise you to never yell, hit, or spray your cat with water, as these can cause stress and resentment. 13. Keeping cats indoors 24/7. Look, I get it. The world is a scary place for cats. There are cars, dogs, birds of prey, and other dangers lurking outside. But that doesn't mean your cat should live in a bubble. Your cat deserves some fresh air, sunshine, and adventure. Don't you want your cat to have some fun and excitement in their life? Of course you do. That's why you should let your cat enjoy some supervised outdoor time or use a cat enclosure. Trust me, your cat will thank you for it. 12. Not providing enough scratch posts. Cats love to scratch. It's in their DNA. Scratching helps them keep their claws sharp, stretch their muscles, and mark their territory. It also feels good. So good that they will scratch anything they can get their paws on, like your furniture, walls, or carpets. That's why you need to provide your cat with enough scratching posts. And by enough, I mean at least one sturdy, tall scratching post per room. You should also encourage your cat to use the scratch post by rubbing them with catnip or placing treats on them. 11. Assuming cats are low maintenance. Cats may seem like they don't need much attention. They sleep a lot, groom themselves, and do their own thing. But don't be fooled by their independent attitude. Cats are not self-sufficient creatures. They need care, attention, and interaction to stay happy and healthy. You can't just leave your cat alone for hours or days on end or ignore their needs. You need to provide your cat with food, water, a litter box, toys, grooming, vet care, and love. Yes, love. Cats may not show it all the time, but they do crave your affection and company. 10. Neglecting mental stimulation. Mental stimulation is just as important as physical activity for cats. It prevents boredom, depression, and cognitive decline. Puzzle feeders, toys, and interactive play can provide your cat with mental challenges and rewards. You can also teach your cat new tricks or skills using clicker training or positive reinforcement. You'll be amazed by what your cat can learn and do. 9. Overlooking changes in behavior. Cats are not very good at telling us when they are sick or in pain. They tend to hide their symptoms and act normal until it's too late. That's why you need to be a detective and look for clues in their behavior and appearance. If your cat suddenly stops eating, loses weight, sleeps more, acts grumpy, pees outside the litter box, stops grooming, or meows more, they may be trying to tell you something is wrong. You should also check your cat's body for any signs of injury, infection, or pain, such as limping, scratching, swelling, or bleeding. Don't ignore these signs and hope they will go away. Take your cat to the vet as soon as possible. 8. Forgetting regular flea treatment. Fleas are the worst. They are tiny blood-sucking parasites that can make your cat miserable and sick. They can cause itching, irritation, allergic reactions, and skin infections. They can also transmit parasites such as tapeworms or diseases such as cat scratch fever. Yuck. You don't want your cat to suffer from these nasty critters. That's why you need to give your cat regular flea treatments to keep them flea-free and healthy. 7. Not monitoring weight. Obesity is a serious problem for cats since it can lead to many health problems such as diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. It can also shorten your cat's lifespan and quality of life. You don't want your cat to become overweight. That's why you need to monitor your cat's weight and keep them in shape. A healthy cat should have a visible waist and a slight tummy tuck. If your cat is overweight or obese, consult your vet for a weight loss plan. 6. Lack of fresh water. Cats often have a low thirst drive and become dehydrated easily. Dehydration can cause kidney problems, urinary tract infections, and constipation. Always ensure your cat has access to fresh water at all times. It's advisable to change the water daily and clean their bowl regularly. You should also provide multiple water sources around the house to encourage your cat to drink more. 5. Not providing safe spaces. Cats are sensitive creatures and they need safe, quiet spaces to retreat to when they feel stressed or scared. Not providing these can lead to anxiety and insecurity. You should provide your cat with some hiding places where they can feel comfortable and secure. These can be boxes, beds, tunnels, shelves, or closets. Also, respect your cat's privacy and don't disturb them when they are in their safe spaces. You wouldn't like it if someone barged into your bedroom without knocking, would you? 4. Disregarding body language. Cats communicate a lot through body language. Disregarding this can lead to misunderstandings and stress. It's crucial to learn to read your cat's body language and respond accordingly. For example, if your cat's ears are flattened, their eyes are dilated, and their tail is tucked, they are feeling scared or threatened. That's your sign to give them some space and not force them to interact. If your cat's ears are perked up, their eyes are blinking slowly, and their tail is curled, they are feeling relaxed and friendly. You can approach them gently and pet them softly. They are telling you they like you and want some attention. Once you master your cat's body language, you'll practically be their best friend. If you want to learn more about kitty body language, we've linked to our full video on the subject in the description. 3. Lack of socialization. Cats can be independent, but they also need social interaction. Lack of socialization can lead to loneliness and behavioral problems. It's important to socialize with your cat from an early age and expose them to different people, animals, and situations. This will help them become more confident and adaptable. You should also interact with your cat regularly and provide them with companionship and affection. They may not always show it, but they do enjoy your company. 2. Changing their environment suddenly. Cats are creatures of habit, and sudden changes in the environment can cause stress and anxiety. This can include moving to a new house, introducing a new pet or family member, rearranging furniture, or changing their routine. You could try to minimize these changes as much as possible and make them gradually. Also, help your cat adjust to the new environment by providing them with familiar items, such as toys, beds, or blankets. 1. Treating cats like dogs. Despite being common pets, cats and dogs are vastly different species with different needs and behaviors. Treating your cat like a dog can lead to misunderstanding and distress. For example, cats don't respond well to commands or training like dogs do. They prefer to do things on their own terms and at their own pace. They don't need you to tell them what to do or how to do it. Cats also don't like being hugged or picked up like dogs do. They may tolerate it for a short time, but they usually prefer to have their feet on the ground and their personal space respected. They don't need you to smother them with affection or carry them around like a baby. It's important to remember the difference. Not all our furry friends want the same things. And that's a wrap, folks! Now you know how to avoid these common mistakes and make your cat's life perfect. Interested in uncovering more? Explore subtle signs your cat hates you, or learn about the real meaning behind 30 strange cat behaviors. Your kitty education continues just a click away. Thank you for being a part of our Purrtastic community.